Hey guys, a small note. In this video, I am not editing anything because my laptop's not working, so I'll be uploading direct clips of whatever I'm doing, except the pause feature in my Note 3's camera. You may have seen this in my previous video. Exams. Get marks on chapters you don't know. MCQ questions. That I did everything without editing. And this is my second video in that kind of fashion. Okay, let me teach you how to make these crackers using paper, or in Hindi as we call phatakas. Take a blank sheet of paper. If it is A4 size, you may prefer to fold it in half. Then you will get something like this. So at this point you can just do it like this and then fold it downwards again. So wait, let me recap all this. You have an A4 size paper, preferably fold it in half. Then fold it again so that it comes like leaving bit small gap. Then fold it downwards so that you get something like this. Now hold here and pull this part down and make sure you have a small triangle kind of thing and hold it here. That's it. You hold it like this and then do this. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Comment what next you want me to upload or something. Share this to your friends or your family members. And finally, subscribe to my channel. See you soon.